Hi guys, so we are working towards our very first formal writing assignment in world history, and you guys are going to be writing a claim evidence reasoning statement all about a problem that Rome faced. So in your assignment that's in Canvas, I have some links here to help you remember what claim evidence reasoning is and then to help you write your paragraph. So our first thing we're going to start with is the example of CER. So you've already written CER statements about McDonald's in India. Many of you have written them about Monsters, Inc. And so just one more reminder for you, I've got Ninja Turtles. So when you're doing claim evidence reasoning, it breaks down as claim, evidence, and reasoning. In your claim, you're answering the prompt. So in this case, the prompt is, or the question is, who is the best Ninja Turtle? Evidence is where you prove that. You provide hopefully a quote from a text that supports the claim that you made. And then your reasoning sentences, you are explaining the reason that that evidence supports your claim. So our question here is, who is the best Ninja Turtle? And my claim that I'm making is the best Ninja Turtle is Michelangelo, which is obviously the answer. But my claim is the best Ninja Turtle is Michelangelo. For my evidence, I need to find a quote from my text that supports how awesome Michelangelo is. So I went and I found a random website. It's called Great Heroes Wiki. But I want to introduce my quote. So according to Great Heroes Wiki, he may be mischievous and doesn't take things seriously, but deep down he cares about his brothers and his sensei. So that's just finding a quote that helps support that my claim is a true statement. Now we get into the reasoning, and this is really your time to shine. In your reasoning, you are going to, number one, explain what that quote means. You're going to give some context to your reader, assuming that your reader has never heard of what you're talking about. So you've got to explain it to them a little bit. And then your reasoning number two, you're explaining how that supports your claim. You're drawing that connection together for your reader. So my two reasoning sentences, I actually did it in three, but my two reasoning sentences explaining the quote, I said the Ninja Turtles are made up of four brothers and their sensei Splinter, who is a rat. Each of the four brothers has very different personalities, but Michelangelo is the youngest and smallest, who is all about having a good time, eating pizza, and protecting his city. So I kind of went in and explained in a little more detail what that quote is talking about. In my reasoning number two, this is where I'm saying, how does that quote prove that Michelangelo is the best Ninja Turtle? So Michelangelo is the best because while other turtles each have their own positives, watching Mikey have fun and be silly makes him the most entertaining to watch. So I really connected it back to what makes him the very best. Okay, so this is an example. If you're feeling stuck and you're not sure what the different pieces of CER are, this can be your example to go back to and look, oh, what is that sentence supposed to be? All right, I'll see you for the next part.